with southwest at 8 miles an hour.
26 p.m.
The pressure was 30
Thunderstorm was located near Richmond, or 10 miles southeast of Roxborough, moving north at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Roxborough, Bethel Hill, Mayo Reservoir, Searle, Moran, and Hyco Lake. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Granville and Mercer. This is NOAA Weather Radio. All hazards. Station W.